students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and OAB, this triangle, is an equilateral triangle. P and Q are the midpoints of OA and OB. P and Q are midpoints of OA and OB. If the area of a triangle OAB, the area of this equilateral triangle, is given as 36√3 centimeter square, then find the area of the shaded region. The shaded region is this part of the circle. So area of the shaded region, area of shaded region is equals to area of this entire circle minus area of this sector OPQ. This is a sector, right? So area of entire circle, area of circle minus area of sector. Sector, which sector? OPQ, this sector. PQO, this sector. This area we will subtract from the circle. So to find the area of circle, we need radius of the circle, and to find the area of sector OPQ, we need radius of circle and this angle O. We need this angle O as well. So to find this angle in triangle, see here, in triangle ABO or OAB, in this triangle, each angle O means internal angle of the equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. So angle O will become our 60 degree, which implies angle POQ is also 60 degrees. Correct? Now area of circle we know is pi r square. To find radius, what we will do, in the question it is given that P is the midpoint of OA and OB. Correct? So if this length is A, each side of the equilateral triangle will be A, and if this is midpoint, that means OA, OP or OQ is half of A. What I am telling is radius is A by 2, where A is the side of an equilateral triangle. Now see this, the volume, the area of equilateral triangle, area of triangle OAB is given as 36√3, and area of an equilateral triangle formula is √3 A square by 4. Correct? And this is equals to 36√3. So √3 will cancel out √3. A square will be equals to 36 into 4. From here A will be equals to 6 into 2, that is 12. So if A is equals to 12, means R is equals to 6. If A is equals to 12, means R is equals to 6. Now we have value of R. So area of shaded region is pi R square minus theta by 360 into pi R square. Now we will take pi R square common. It is pi R square common, 1 minus theta by 360. Theta here we calculated as, this is our theta. Theta we calculated, it is 60 degree. So 60 divided by 360. So 0 will cancel out, 6 ones are and 6 6 are. So we will get pi R square. Instead of R we can write 6. So pi into 6 square into 1 minus 1 by 6, it will be 5 by 6. Correct? So this is equals to 1 6 will also cancel out. So it is 6 5 are 30. It is equals to 30 pi. It is equals to 30 times pi is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.